Hello friend, welcome back to my knowledge sharing channel. Today I wanna sharing my experience how to rectify this our accommodation aircon system by temperature controller for auto start and stop period for 30 minutes to prevent frosting. So today I have to modify our accommodation aircon system because now system is running without temperature controller, without auto start like continuous running. So what happened, the system have ice coming in the suction side. So now I'm planning to make this our accommodation aircon system by this temperature controller for auto start depends on this setting temperature. Yeah, so now I took out this temperature controller from some other system which is no using, so like a spare. So I will use this temperature controller for AC. And also as per my modification circuit diagram, I need two relay I need, and also I need 3 timer, 25 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I need 3 timer, T1, T2, T3. Yeah, so I will make the circuit by using these components. Yeah, so let me explain my modification circuits briefly. Okay, first of all, once system is on, this temperature controller getting power. So depends on this setting output value, setting temperature, let's say 20 degree for auto stop. This it's normally open, contact were close, so I using this contact from here. You see 11 and 12 is normally open, so this one will close after reaching the auto cutout temperature. So this contact will close. R1 start counting. R1 relay is working. This R1 relay I use for AC compressor stop relay. So one getting power is normally close contact will open, and AC compressor magnetic contactor will lost the power. Yeah, so same time T1 timer counting 25 minutes on delay timer. After 25 minutes finish, T1 contact close, T2 continuous counting 5 minutes. After 5 minutes is normally close contact will open and de-energize to R1 relay. So R1 relay back to close position and give the power supply for AC compressor magnetic contactor and run again. But what's problem in practically, you imagine if this T2 after 5 minutes timer finish, it open, so R1 began de-energize. Same time this one also de-energize, this one also de-energize. So again close back. If in case this R1 switching speed is a little bit slow, R1 relay re-energize and compressor cannot start and sequence will be count again. So that's why I additional making this holding circuit. Yeah, this circuit means even in case R1 began de-energize, this T2 is still holding by this line by normally open contact of R2 and stay keeping power a few minutes. Yeah, so how it is after T1 energize 25 minutes, T1 is closed, so R2 on, R2 coin is getting power, R2 on, T3 counting. So this T2 and T3 counting same time after T1 finish 25 minutes. You see, so that means after 5 minutes this one will open, but this one is still counting 6 minutes. So after this T1 is on, R2 is on, still holding. Even after this 5 minutes finish, this T3 is still closing and still giving power to the R2 circuit, T2 circuit. So T2 is still getting power and keep holding for 1 minute more open to making de-energize for R1 and T1. Yeah, but T2 is still getting power by this line. Then after T3 counting finish, it's normally close contact, making open system will stop completely like that. So my diagram you can use in your ship if you need similar like this system. This system working function is After reaching the set point, this R1 will stop about 25 plus 5 minutes, 30 minutes. This R1 will stop. After 30 minutes, this R1 will start again, waiting until this reaching the temperature cutout for set point. Yeah, by this way, this circuit diagram is working. So let's try practically by wire connection and testing. It is actually working or not, we will see. Okay, so now I make already this circuit diagram. So let's try practically this is working functionally or not. So right now I represent this relay as a AC compressor, magnetic controller. Now AC compressor is running, yeah, because getting power. Okay, temperature controller T1 for 25 minutes as per diagram, but right now I'm putting only a few seconds, not to wait long time. T2 5 minutes, T3 6 minutes, but now I'm making this one for 5 seconds, 10 seconds. R1 stop relay for this AC compressor, R2 for holding this T2. Okay, let's run. So one compressor is running, this process value will be lower than the set value. So but right now I cannot make this process value lower, so I increase the set value above the process value. So same action, yeah, to produce this output signal. So mode press 1. Now I'm making deviation 4 degrees, so I will increase above 4 degree, 5 degree is enough, yeah. So output is coming, compressor now stop, timer start counting. That time this temperature easy coming up, equivalence with the process value, right, to stop the output. So timer is counting. Okay, now T1 is finished, give to T2, T3 together counting. Now compressor is running back. Every system is off, yeah. So waiting for the next cycle of this controller to reaching the set point again. So this circuit is working functionally and practically also. So I will go to fix to the AC system. Okay, now I fixed already my modification circuit in our combination AC system. So now ready to use the system by auto start stop control. I think you may have a question why you additionally install 3 timer for this system auto start stop. Actually only temperature controller is needed to control AC compressor start stop. Yes, you may correct, but in practically the compressor running the system reach the set point temperature, compressor will stop. That time temperature will easy going up, reach to the set point deviation value quickly back, so compressor will start again. So that means compressor start will happen quickly and frequently. I don't want this situation. That is why I modify this system for stopping by temperature controller, cut out temperature, but for starting back I making 30 minutes time delay. Even the controller reach the auto cut-in temperature, I like to stop the system for at least 30 minutes, because in our AC system we don't have a capacity control. This is very ordinary old model. That is why I install 3 timer additionally. So I use R1 relay for compressor stop, normally close contact and bring to this original compressor power magnetic contactor circuit and make the series connection in this system. So compressor magnetic contactor will getting power by this control of this R1 stop relay or not. Okay, thank you friend. I hope you get something from my video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my video, my channel, and thank you for your supporting. See you in the next.